Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stewed turkey neck. First, ensure your turkey necks are clean by rinsing them well under cold water. Next, carefully trim any extra fat or loose skin. Then, cut the necks into manageable 2-inch pieces. This preparation step is crucial for even cooking and better flavor absorption. We want every piece to be perfect for our delicious stew. Now, let's get some color on those turkey necks. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Brown the turkey neck pieces on all sides until golden. Remove them and then add your chopped onions, garlic, and bell peppers to the pot, sautéing until softened. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for a fragrant base. With our aromatics ready, it's time to bring everything together for a slow simmer. Return the browned turkey necks to the pot. Pour in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring the necks are mostly submerged. Add 1 can, which is about 14.5 ounces, of diced tomatoes. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 2 to 2.5 hours until the meat is fork tender. Almost there. For the final touches, stir in 1 cup of chopped carrots and 1 cup of diced potatoes into your stew. Continue to cook for another 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are perfectly tender. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Serve your rich, flavorful stew hot with rice or cornbread. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade turkey neck stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.